This is question 25 on a November 2013 higher calculator paper. Question 25, straight away I've noticed that there's a star next to the question, and that means that I need to write my answer clearly, use clear sentences, and give my answer as a sentence. Let's read the question. The question says A and B are straight lines. The line A has equation that. The line B goes through these 2 points. Do lines A and B intersect? That means, do they cross? You must show all your workings. Okay, so this is a starred question. They want me to show all my workings, and effectively they want me to say whether these two lines A and B intersect. Do they meet? Now, lines meet if depending on their gradients. If the gradients of the lines are the same, they are parallel, and so they never meet. So we need to find the gradients, and I'm actually going to write that down. If and so will not meet, right? And as a result, what we're going to do is we're going to find the gradients. So for A, I'm going to say, well, the equation of the line is 2y is equal to 3x plus 8. Now, if I put it in the form y is equal to mx plus c, so I'm going to put that, y is equal to mx plus c. M is the gradient. Okay, so if I do that by dividing by 2, I'll get y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the gradient is there. So gradient of A is equal to 3 over 2. I'm now going to find the gradient of B. I'm just going to draw a line down the center because, again, I think in questions where there's a star, presentation is important, and the way you state all your workings is actually quite important. So that was for line A. Now for line B. Line B, I know, goes through the points -1, 2, and 2, 8. Now, to help with this, it's not essential, right? But I'm going to draw like a little picture. I've got the y-axis, I've got the x-axis, and if we just think about what or where those points are, so this point is -1, 2. So -1, 2 is up there. So that's 1 point. And the other point is 2, 8. So 2 along, and then 8 up, which is like there. Okay? And if I try to draw a triangle going across there, I said that was 2 along. Now, the base of this triangle is going to be 3 altogether. And the height of this triangle goes from there, which is 2, all the way up to 8, which makes it 6 high. So, hope you can see the base of this triangle is going to be 2 plus 1, which is 3 altogether. And then the height, it goes from 2 all the way up to 8. So it's going to be 6 high. And the gradient is found by using, I like to use the phrase rise over run. Okay, so the rise is how much it goes up by, so this goes up by 6, and how much does it go across? It goes across 3, and you could see from the slope of this, it's increasing as you go from left to right, so it's a positive gradient. Just tidying that up, that gives me +2. So the gradient of B is 2. Alright, so the gradient of line B is positive 2. The gradient of line A is positive 3 over 2. The question says, do lines A and B intersect? And because their gradients are different, right? Because their gradients are different, that means they're not parallel, and so they are going to intersect. And I'm going to write that in words. Okay, now that is a pretty complete answer for this particular question. This is quite a challenging question, and it is a form of something that you do at A level. However, it's actually not beyond you at this level, and especially if you're aiming for top grade, you should be able to do all of this question and be able to get full marks in it.